He's just gotta learn not to bark. I'll give it to him once he stops barking. Hi, Tyrone. Don't. So if you give it to him, I'll have a hard time getting it back.
Squeeze it in there.
Come here, Sonoma.
Oh my God.
Oh, Miss Blubber.
Bounce on that.
He's like, don't kill the poor ball. He's like, don't kill my ball. You heard it. Sonoma, what are you barking at? Come here. Now there's poop over there. Look at your pretty eyes. Look at that. There's some blubber. She's had puppies.
Seriously, Ella?
What?
American blubber?
I said, and there's the blubber. American blubber. American blubber.
Don't say that to her. She's so nervous.
She can't understand English. She only understands Sonoma, come, and sit. And no, probably. And good girl.
Ready? Ready? Oh, so fun. I like this ball. It's so fun to play with. Oh, I'm going to take it for myself. He's learned to stop barking.
Okay. I'll move it in a different spot.
I want you to back now.
Whee! Here it is. Here. Got it. Got it.
I want you to back now. And go inside.
Okay. I'm going to make a video of the puppies. I think they're so cute.
But then Anna want to come home with us.
She won't. Stop!
So tell if she asks us,
That's my ball. Give it back.
if she
Give it back!
asks, just tell her.
Give it back, Tyrone. Come here. No, ha ha ha. I got it! Woo! I got it! Ha ha! You can't have it. Ha ha. Ow! Don't bite me. Here we go. We're going on a walk again.